You take notes about the homework of math?
Mister, una pregunta, quería hacer una pregunta de lo de math.
Mhm.
En el tema que acabamos de ver, entiendo cómo es el procedimiento, pero cuando le ponemos al resultado power o
The third power?
de cualquier número, por ejemplo de third power, ¿por qué es ese third power?
Because you are operating how many numbers? Yeah, you are
Y entendí
operating.
es que eso, por
Yes,
eso es que no sabía, solo eso
yes,
era.
of course. Because you are operating three numbers, right? Three measures that are length, width, and length, right? And that's why, and height. So that's why we have to the third power. Now, guys, are you clear about that? So you have to send it to me. Remember that you have to send it to me because I need to check if you understand or not the topic, right?
Right now we go to science.
Yes, of course. We have science right now, guys. And do you remember which is the topic that we were discussing in science class? Do you remember that?
We were talking about
Yes, for mixture and solution, right? So today, right? Today we're gonna discuss, yes, the exercises or the challenge that you had to do. Did you finish?
yes.
Yes, I'm
Yes.
gonna share, okay, with the class what you have first of all, and then I'm gonna send you a worksheet, right, in order you to work on it. Yes, and I'm gonna explain you what you have to do, right? But first, we're gonna discuss the challenge that you have, right? Okay, and then we will start with number 5. Who want to share the number 5? Number 5, which is the question number 5. I remember that it was 5, 6, I guess. Okay, who want to share with us? Hurry up. Or do I have to choose the person? Do you prefer that I choose the person?
Mr. What page?
It is in page, let me see, 31. It is in
Okay,
page
thank you.
31. Okay? What happened with the
Question.
Gabriela, Miguel
I have a question.
Alejandro, Gustavo, Diego Amador, Andrea Montserrat, Sebastián.
I have a question.
Okay, Angelo, tell me.
What? ¿Por qué the second part they use the book agents in the first page?
It's because we have the topics, right, in that way. Because according to the journalization, right, that we have, these topics are in the third partial, not in the first partial, right? But that's why. No tiene nada que ver, right? Because we will discuss the topics anyway, right? So guys, number 5, you have to categorize, right? Do you remember? Okay, Miguel Avila, share with us what you have.
I see peanuts.
Minutes, okay, good job.
Like M&M's.
Yes, happening.
cereal
Cereals, well, yes.
and pretzels.
And pretzels. Yes, right? We have how many? We have
4.
a mixture of 4, right? Yes, good job, Miguel. And then someone else? Someone else wants to share with us?
Mister,
Kenneth? Okay,
me.
Kenneth?
Miss me.
Candies, nuts, and pricing.
Yes, of course. Good job, Kenneth.
Me, Mister.
Okay, Glynis, share with us what you have.
Mister, how you say almendras in English?
Sorry?
How you say almendras in English?
Almond, nuts, nuts,
Nuts, candies, cereal, and how you say pasas?
pasas.
Pricing.
Yes, pretzels.
Yes, the
We have pretzels.
pretzels
Yes,
and cereal.
yes, good job. Excellent. So we have also fruits there. Yes or not? We have fruits there.
Yes.
Yes, right? So, and what happened with number 6? Who wants to share number 6? What you write in number 6, guys? Number 6, it says a compound forms where two or more elements combine to form a new substance with new properties. How is a compound different from a mixture? What did you write there? Who wants to share? How a compound is different from a mixture? Which is the answer you have? Don't be afraid to share your answer. Andrea Larissa, which is the answer you have?
That the compound has new properties and the mixture has its own properties.
Yes, good job. The mixture has its own property, right? And the substance, right, or get a new property, right? That's number 6. Okay, and which were the other ones that you have to do?
Number 9.
Number 9.
Yes.
Okay, and what do you have in number 9, guys? What do you have in number 9? Could you please, Christian Menjiva, read the question that we have there? In number 9?
The plastic figures in the picture are insoluble in the blue liquid. What else can you tell about their solubility?
Yeah. So, which is the question? Okay, well, sorry, which is the answer of this question? What else can you tell about their solubility? Mhm. Because we're talking about the plastic figure, right? Which is your answer? Christian Menjiva, which is your answer?
That the figure don't dissolve because it's in a material that can't dissolve.
Can be the right. It is plastic, so that's the answer, guys. Good job, Christian Menjiva.
That is made for water.
Yes, of course. Excellent. So that's the only thing that you have to do, right? Yes.
Yes.
So guys, we're gonna use right the rest of the hour, right, in order to solve right a worksheet we have. We're gonna work right, like for example, one or two exercises, and then I'm gonna send it to you in order you to work, right? Because you have to do it, right? And then I'm gonna explain you how to do this. I don't know if you can see here. Can you see here, guys? Guys, can you see here? What do we
Yes,
have here?
mister.
What we have here?
Separate mixtures, cut and stick.
Yes. Cut and stick. So it means that you have to cut, right? Or paste, right? Copy and paste. You may work in Word Excel, right? As I will do it right now. Yeah. And then here we have some concepts. Here we have some words in order to define, right, what we are gonna do. And then we have some examples as well, right? So then also we have, right, the different colors. I don't know if you can see the different colors we have. We have color green, color blue, yes, color red. And in the next square we have that you will separate all of this, right? Like for example, the name or the concept that we are gonna look for, right? Is gonna be the green ones, right? Are you paying attention, guys?
Yes, mister.
Okay, so
Yes.
let's try to solve this one. Let's look for the first one. Okay, let's work with this one.
Filtration.
Filtration. Let's see with this one. Filtration. And then we write here filtration. You see? Now you have the number. And then we're gonna look for the diagram or equipment that we are gonna use. That are the ones that are in red. Which one are the ones that are in red?
One thing that is hard to do in Word.
No, that is not difficult. Okay, enough. If you can print it, and then you just cut and paste,
Yes.
and then you just send
Yes.
the picture, right?
But this how you
And then
save at the
these
platform.
one are the ones that we are gonna use, right, with the red. So, which of these diagrams we have do you think is the filtration?
I think that is that in that you have the mouse.
This one.
Yes.
Okay. Could you please erase this?
Okay, mister.
Okay. And then we're gonna and then the thing that we're gonna do, and then we're gonna go here, and then in the diagram we have
Lo puse en
¿sí?
otro, mister. Ahí.
You see? Easy, right? So scientific explanation. So we're gonna look for the explanation of this. Which do you think is the explanation of filtration, guys? And then you know that are the ones that are in blue sky, right?
Um,
And then we have insoluble material when passed through the tiny holes and of the filter paper are separate from the soluble materials.
Mister, I know, Mister.
Different dyes in the ink can be separated as they move through the paper at different rates that get stuck different points based on the solubility. The water will evaporate. As the liquid is heated, it will evaporate and rise, and it is then cooled and returned to the liquid to be collected. Any solid will be remain in the flask. Which do you think is the concept of filtration? Let's read. We have these four options. We have this one, this one, this one, and this one. Which do you think is the concept? Real concept.
Of what, mister?
This one. I'm gonna change the one.
No, what thing?
Filtration. We are working with filtration.
Okay.
We're gonna look for the concept of filtration. Which one do you think it is?
Mister, I think that is
Read it, Angeles, please. Angeles, read the one
it
that you
is
think it is.
Andrea, Mister.
Sorry?
That is Andrea.
Okay, Andrea, tell me, which one do you think it is?
Insoluble materials won't pass through the tiny holes of the filter paper and so are separated from the soluble materials.
Okay, do you think this one is okay? Just to explain, because you have to work on at home, we're gonna try with this one, right? But remember that you have to investigate, right? To be sure about the answer. And then here we have it. And then what is missing? It is missing the example, right?
Sir, what this page
Then
you
which do
go
you think is the example of
use
this? Which do you think is the example of this? Is the one color purple?
Mr. This page you say on the platform.
Yes, I'm gonna upload to the platform and I'm gonna, yes, you may look it in the platform. I'm gonna do it right now. Yes?
But how to do in Word?
Yeah, whatever
The
you want. Whatever you want. In Word or, yeah. So which do
Mister, we
you
need to
think is
send
the
you
concept
a
of?
photo.
Yes, of course. But let's finish with this and then we will talk about what we're gonna do, right? Let's finish with this example, which is the example of filtration. Those are the ones that are in purple. The examples are the ones that are in purple, right? Remember that. Which one do you think it is? Read the example carefully. Okay? Did you finish? Did you find the example, guys? It could be this one. It could be to separate out a mixture
I
of liquid
think
and
in
solid.
this, mister. To separate of a mixture of the
This
solid.
one?
No,
This?
esa mister, la que tiene el puntito.
Okay, let's try with this one, right? But remember that you have to do it completely, right? And then here we have everything, right? And then you will do the same with the other words that are distillation, right? The evaporation, and then the rest, right? Do you understand what you are gonna do, guys?
yes, Miss.
Yes?
Yes.
So, guys, are you sure about it that you understand what we are gonna do?
Yes.
You don't have
Yes.
questions?
No. No.
So if you don't have questions, guys, we will stop here, right? And I'm gonna upload this one right now to the platform in order you to work on it, right? Remember,
We're going to see at 9:30, right?
wait, Maiden,
At 9:30, we're going to see us.
wait, Maiden. I'm gonna explain what you have to do. Okay, and then when you finish, you have to send it to my email, right? It could be, right, in Word, as I was doing it right now, or if you have the option of printing, you can do it and you will cut and paste the pieces, right?
And send you a photo.
And send me a photo of this, right? But remember that you have to send it to me today because this has a value, right? And you have to send it to me. Yes? So I'm gonna upload this to the platform. Yes? In order you to work on this.